What's up? Y'all are coming today. Yeah, that's right. All right, I forgot. All right, come on in. Welcome to my crib. The 226. All right, how's it going? So, I'm real busy recording my new demo. Damien, I'll shotgun that in a minute. Just record my new demo, but I'll give you a quick tour right now. Here we go. Follow me. So, in here, we have the mono car garage. That stands for one. Keep up with me, y'all. You hear? Got the one car garage, recently cleaned out. All right, come with me. Nothing. All right, so here's where I do my laundry. It's for clothes, dirty and clean. They go in dirty, they come out clean. Yeah, you know what I'm saying? Got the key rack. This is the main grand entry. Here's where I host all my formal dinners with all celebrities and such. Sponsored by Nandgate Brewing Company. It gets lit up in here. If you'll follow me this way, I'll show you my extensive wine collection. Been accumulating this for quite some time. Got my corks, got the Forest Glen Merlot. Don't forget the Chateau Smith along with all these. These are Bordeaux. Don't mess up now. These actually a picture of my fiance and her sister. She cute. Moving on, if you'll come with me. Here's the kitchen. Again, like I said, I entertain a lot. So this is, got this luxury style kitchen. Comes with everything, all appliances, best appliances. I'm so fortunate, just gotta have the cookie laying around all the time, you know what I'm saying? And then, classic, gotta get the fridge shot. I'm stacked with that AJ, that stands for apple juice. Got the hummus, leftover corn, potato bread. Don't forget the vodka sauce. Can't live without that. Okay, and got the white ivory barbecue sauce. You hear me? White ivory barbecue sauce. All right, onward we go. Oh, shoot. All right, we have here Solka family calendar. Keep track of all my events. I'm a busy individual. Keep track of all the events on here. In this room over here, I'll show you. We have got the living room, big screen, flat screen TV. This is where all the gaming goes. We watch the important stuff like The Bachelor. That's on here. Well designed, spacious. And I'd say maybe the highlight of this room is obviously, if you'll see up here, I have the basketball hoop. If you can see, it's set at approximately 8 feet 6 inches. And what I like about this hoop is, if you need to, you can power dribble and dunk. Ah! And what it's also great for, if you'll come with me, one more thing, it's also great for the long range shot. So if y'all let me demonstrate the long range, it goes in most of the time, to be honest. So if you follow me this way, I can show you the rest of the house, my living quarters and such. We got that nest, we got that family photo, but yeah, I don't know. Yeah, oh yeah, that is a good point. I recognize y'all noticed. One of the most expensive pieces of art in our establishment is my shoulder screw. This itemized, and this is not a joke, itemized was a little over $200 on the bill. The surgery itself was several $1,000s, but to get that out, it cost extra. And again, itemized on the bill, it is about $200 something. You can check with Stephanie with that, because she knows everything about shoulder screws, I've been told. Going this way. Closet. Bathroom. This is if I need to poop in a little more private area. This is where that goes down. If you'll follow me, we can go up the stairs. Smooth. All right, you're now entering what we call the lad loft. It's called that because it is a loft space for me, a lad. We have obviously all the identifying flags, exercise ball, eventually a TV is gonna go there, for gaming. I got all the latest tech, I have the PlayStation 2, back to the wires, it's just to childhood, an ode to childhood, which is the name of my new album I'm dropping. If you'll come over here, you can totally see, this is my workspace, and oh shoot, no, you can't see this. No, don't see this. That's private. Close one. But We got the metal beer signs again, including NAND gate, just another closet. You know, again, this is just the lad loft, you know, all sorts of things go up here. Crazy stuff too, you know, stuff I can't even talk about. Zip, zip, you know what I'm saying? If you follow me going this way, you know, this is also a very restricted area over here. As you can see, employees only. Okay. Okay. Now, if you can see, this is, you know, this is where all the magic happens. Yeah. You know, you see it. We got the outline lights. Kind of hard to see in the light, but got the outline behind the headboard. You know, all the trimmings. You know, over here we got the bathroom. And I know y'all want to see my shoe collection. You know, this is for when I just feel like, you know, I don't know, it's a different shoe every night type of thing. You know, I go out, you know, sometimes it's hard to pick just one, know what I'm saying? You know, I love them all. Love them all. You know, and then we got the tile bathroom floor. This tile's flown in straight from a different location. Let me tell you, that's no lie, no lie. You know, and after, you know, I'm hooping with the boys, you know, I got a towel off with the hashtag Gatorade towel. You know, it's just, you know, it really fits my needs. And, you know, I think that's pretty much it. I mean, you know, every now and then I do like to take a bath. So I think I'm gonna do that right now. So if y'all will leave me to it, I'm gonna go ahead and take a bath. It's been an honor, it's been real, but I gotta go take a bath. I'll see y'all later. I'll see you later. Oh wait, actually before I kick you out, one last thing. I do wanna show you some of my jewelry, I did actually get it for my fiance, but I do like to rock it every now and then as a pinky ring. Some of y'all may know it as a panky ring with an A, but it's very nice, very nice. And so that goes right here occasionally. But like I said, I gotta take that bath, so I'm gonna have to ask y'all to leave. It's been real, you can see yourself out, and I will see y'all later.